Welcome to the Array.includes method in JavaScript. This powerful tool helps you check if an element exists in an array. It's a game changer for validation and conditional logic. Developers use it daily to streamline their code and avoid unnecessary loops. Under the hood, includes performs a linear search through the array, checking each element one by one. It starts from the beginning and stops as soon as it finds a match. The method returns true if the value is found and false otherwise. It's case-sensitive and works with primitive values like strings and numbers. You'll use includes when validating user input to ensure it matches allowed values. It's perfect for filtering search results or checking if a user has permissions in an access control list. For example, when building a shopping cart, you might use includes to check if a product is already in the cart. Let's analyze this code step by step. First, we start by creating an array of fruit names. This array will be our data source for checking if a specific fruit exists. Then, we call the includes method on the fruits array. We pass the string banana as the argument. Includes searches the array for this exact value and returns a Boolean result. Then, we log the result of the includes method to the console. This will show us whether the array contains the specified fruit. Finally, the output is true, indicating that banana is indeed present in the fruits array. This confirms that includes worked as expected. Which JavaScript method should I cover next? Comment your suggestions below. Don't forget to like this video for more coding tips. Follow for daily content.